Like the other 2 times I've tested weird wood stains, I'm surprised by some of these results. First, I want to thank all of you who suggested things for me to try. I still have more to try next time, but I thought I would keep this one limited to natural food products. It's pretty cool to see how boiled red cabbage creates a blue dye and boiling avocado skins makes a pink dye. I boiled the papery outer skins of a yellow onion and got a yellowish orange stain. And I made pomegranate and blueberry stains just by crushing them. I'm gonna test all of these out on pieces cut from the same pine board. This one I'm gonna leave bare as a control. I've seen avocado skins used as a fabric dye and it leaves kind of a really light pinkish tint. I have a feeling that you would really need to soak a board in it for a long time for it to work. Or maybe I needed to make a more concentrated solution, but it doesn't look like it's gonna have too much of an effect. All right, let's try the onion skin. I'm really looking forward to seeing how this turns out. This is kind of onion skins are kind of a traditional dye used for Easter eggs. Let's see, I have a feeling this probably won't be very dramatic. I probably could have boiled them longer, that might have helped. I'm really looking forward to trying this one. I think this might have a stronger effect. Or not. It kind of reminds me of when I tried using wine. And I think the blackberries probably had a stronger effect. Well, let me soak this on there and see what happens. And I'll set that aside. I'm really hopeful for the pomegranate. Let's see how this works. This is just straight pomegranate juice. There's no boiling, no dilution. I'm most looking forward to trying this blue dye from the Red Cabbage. I posted a picture of this as I was making it on Instagram and somebody commented, this is from Taco Fett. He commented that that red cabbage is a pH indicator, so that if I add some vinegar to it, it should change the color to red. So I'm gonna give that a shot. We'll try both ways. Oh, I can see it change instantly. That is too cool. All right, let's give them a shot. Here is the blue from the Red Cabbage. That is pretty weak looking. I think all of these, maybe I could just have made them a little stronger, maybe more concentrated, more cabbage, maybe boiled it longer, and red cabbage with vinegar. Oh, I love that. Nice. You know where these dyes would probably work really well? On end grain. Looks like all the color has soaked in on them. And wow, I'm telling you, it looks like the pomegranate is gonna be the winner here. Although I gotta say, that onion skin does have kind of a nice look, and the avocado skin is kind of like a golden oak. Let's take a quick break and I'll come back and evaluate the results. Now that the holiday season is in full swing, let's talk about the #1 thing that's on everybody's mind. Mattresses. Hey, think of the excitement your whole family will have on Christmas morning when everyone unwraps their own brand new mattress.
I'll bet it was hard deciding because Casper has 3 models to choose from. The original Casper, the Wave, and the Essential.
It's really hard to do that mom voice. You know, Casper is not just a mattress company. They offer a wide array of products to ensure an overall better sleep experience.
Casper's breathable design helps you sleep cool and regulates your body temperature throughout the night. This is way better than Super Smash Bros. Ultimate. With over 20,000 reviews and an average of 4.8 stars across Casper, Amazon, and Google, Casper is becoming the internet's favorite mattress. I'll be the most popular kid in school.
But best of all, little baby Jacob, who we affectionately call talking point number 5, will crawl onto his mattress and say, "Hey everybody, Casper has affordable prices because they cut out the middleman and sell directly to the consumer. Hey, your family can be just like this family by taking $50 off select mattress purchases by going to Casper.com/WWMM and using promo code WWMM at checkout." Any of these would be excellent choices for wooden toys or anything else you want to make sure is food safe. I especially like the pomegranate juice, which is by far the most vibrant. And it actually takes very little of it to go a long way, so it would be pretty economical. It really surprised me to see how much vinegar changed the color of the cabbage dye from blue to red, but really, once they're on the wood, they each look about the same. The avocado and onion skins produced earthier tones, closer to most commercial wood stains. The avocado skins in particular produced a really nice, almost golden oak color, and I think out of all of these stains, that one's probably my favorite. It's subtle. Real quickly, I wanted to follow up on the previous 2 tests that I did. All of these have been sitting unprotected in my shop for the past 2 years, 2.5 years for the first test, and in general they look pretty good, but there is definitely some fading on some of them. My suggestion would be to apply a clear protective coat over any of these to help preserve the color and keep it from fading in the sun. Lastly, people always want to know if these kind of stains stink or go rancid, and I've tested a lot of stuff and I haven't experienced any foul odors once they're dry. If you're curious about getting into woodworking but don't know where to begin, I want to remind you that I have a free guide showing you how you can set up a shop for under $1,000. Head over to mytoollist.com to download the guide today. Thanks for watching, everybody.